Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can transfer TikTok diamonds into coins. If you currently want to recharge but you don't have money, I'm going to show you how you can transfer your diamonds into coins. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video so that it reaches out to everyone who needs this information, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel. By the way guys, some of you in Uganda, TikTok tells you when you want to recharge that this service is not available in your country. I'm going to tell you because the secret is revealed. I'm going to show you how to make it. Now guys, open Chrome on Google, come on Google on your phone, then you search TikTok. You search tiktok.com/coins. Search TikTok. Search tiktok.com/coins. /coin. Then guys, search. As you can see guys, TikTok tells me that recharging currently unavailable in your country. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect my VPN. You go and connect your VPN. Let me connect my VPN and I try later. As you can see guys, my VPN is connected. Let me go back and I try again later. I search tiktok.com/coins. Just like that. Now guys, you can see after connecting my VPN, the service is available. The service is available for me after connecting my VPN. So the problem is solved. If TikTok tells you that you can't recharge because the service is unavailable in your region, make sure that you are connecting your VPN. After guys, recharging coins, like you can exchange diamonds into coins. You can see it right here. You are going to press here because right now I'm not recharging. I'm exchanging my diamonds into what? I'm exchanging my diamonds into coins. Now guys, you press there. Guys, you can see right now I can exchange my diamonds into coins on TikTok. You can see that my account balance is $22 on TikTok right now. So I can exchange into 100 coins. I can exchange into 500 coins and more guys. So right now I'm going to exchange some of my diamonds into 100 coins, and you press there. I'm going to press there on 100. Then guys, you press here that by continuing I agree the terms and conditions. Then you press there. Then guys, after press on exchange down there. Guys, as you can see, TikTok is telling me that complete recharge. I'm going to press here on complete, and then I transfer diamonds into coins. I'm transferring diamonds into coins right now on TikTok. That's how you can do it guys. If you are in Uganda and TikTok is telling you that the service is unavailable, you have to connect your VPN. Note that. Now guys, I'm done transferring diamonds into coins. Now let's check my TikTok account to see whether I have those coins. Now guys, you can see that I'm done exchanging my diamonds into coins. You can try this service guys because it's very cheap. You can see my account balance is deducted, and that's how you can do it guys. Remember, if you are in Uganda and other countries where this service is restricted, you have to connect a VPN. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like the video and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.